Lansio. I'm 10 years old. We attended the Climate Charter at Merthyr College, where we had an opportunity to see what other schools and local organisations are doing to support our climate. Together we came up with the Merthyr Tudful School Climate Charter.
My name is Sunny and I'm 11 years old. We've been growing wildflowers around our school to attract bees and butterflies to our community, and we've planted all foods and vegetables in the pony tunnel to sell for our mini market at the end of the year and to donate to local community.
Hello, my name's Layla Johnson. I'm 11 years old. The energy saving commitments we have entered in our school is named Energy Sparks. We have started as some small activities and hopefully we'll make our way to more useful ones to save more money in the future. Just doing simple activities we could save £700 a year. One of the activities we've started doing is our traffic light system on the lights. We've got little dot stickers to go on each of our lights. The ones with the red stickers we never turn on. The ones with the green and yellow we can turn on sometimes. So that the ways to spread the energy commitments is in assemblies and also in our eco-suggestion box.
I'm Ray and I'm 10 years old. I'm Layla and I'm 11 years old. Every break time we come out we recycle every class's bin to make sure they're recycled, and then we empty it into the big paper bin, and then the bin men come and collect it.